Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are in Plattsburgh, New York, staying at La Quinta, and some really weird things are happening in this room. Doors are opening all by themselves. So I'm taping. Let's see if it does it. As you can see, I'm nowhere near the door. It's opened like 5 times.
Drawer, not door.
Whatever. Now that we're taping, it's not going to do it. But you did get it on camera, right?
I did.
On our long...
Well, not it opening. It was open.
Oh, you didn't get it opening.
No.
Well, it's opened 3 times since we've been here. Come on. I'm just gonna tape until you do it. I don't care. I'll edit it. I'm gonna edit this. Here we go. It opened all by itself. I told you there's some really weird things happening in this hotel. We've been hearing some weird knockings, and we just got here a couple hours ago. Weird flushings. No, that was probably my wife. Anyway, guys, this is really creepy. If anything else happens, I am going to tape it.